How to kill weeds growing through asphalt. Weeds growing through the asphalt in your driveway are a huge annoyance. It is often hard to dig up the roots of the weeds in order to keep them from growing back. Fortunately, there are other ways to kill weeds besides pulling them up by their roots. In order to rid your asphalt driveway of weeds, try using boiling water, vinegar or salt to kill the weeds. Things you'll need: vinegar, salt. Pour a generous amount of boiling water over the weeds that are growing through your asphalt. The boiling water will cook the plant and cause its roots to die. If the weeds survive the first dose, repeatedly pour boiling water over the weeds every day until they die. Pour or spray a generous amount of vinegar onto the leaves of the weeds. The acetic acid in the vinegar will cause the water to be drawn out of the weeds. In doing so, the vinegar will kill the weeds. As with the boiling water, repeatedly pour vinegar over the weeds every day until they die. Pour salt over the areas of your asphalt where weeds are sprouting to avoid having to constantly kill the weeds. The salt will kill any weeds that are growing in the area by preventing them from absorbing water. It will also prevent new weeds from growing back.